Welcome back, guys. It's Saturday night. Got the car all ready, and we're going to Boosted Behavior's little cruise-in event over at the Plaza something or other parking lot. You guys seen my videos the last time he did this event. Got a little rowdy, and we're gonna come out and show out tonight, see what's happening. I heard there may be some folks with new tires. I heard there may be some other shenanigans happen tonight. I can't spell shenanigans, but it should be fun. Let's go get the boy off the Xbox and let's get after it.
Oh my God.
We made it. It's a full parking lot. As you can kind of see behind me, we got some cars coming in still. We're gonna make some rounds and see what we see out here. Blah, 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 blah. I broke my microphone. I'm an idiot. Well, no more shenanigans.
Wah, 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 wah.
Hurry up and run! Babe, I'm going to head to the bathroom.
So somebody just did a burnout, and Poplar Bluff PD is sitting right there. Let's go to the scene of the crime. Get him, get him. I mean, technically it's not on the street, it's on a trailer. So how do you classify this one, folks? Oh, wah, wah, wah. It's on a trailer, can't do nothing.